Hi students, I am Sumalata. In today's class, I am going to explain about aldol and cross aldol condensation. What is aldol condensation? Aldol condensation is nothing but alpha hydrogen containing aldehydes or ketones going to be involved in self condensation. They will form beta hydroxy aldehydes or beta hydroxy ketones in presence of a mild base. This is nothing but aldol condensation. You can take some examples about this one. See, it is the acetaldehyde going to be condensed with similar molecule in presence of a base. They will form it is the beta hydroxy aldehyde. See, this is the alpha carbon to this functional group and this is the beta carbon to this functional group, so that it is the beta hydroxy aldehyde. This one also known as aldol. Okay, this beta hydroxy aldehyde is known as the aldol. What is its IUPAC nomenclature? See, neet, eth, prop, but. 4 carbons are there. At third place, hydroxy functional group is there. So that 3-hydroxy butanal is the its IUPAC nomenclature name. Okay. Next one, if I'm going to take aromatic aldehyde C6H5CH4, it is the benzaldehyde. It doesn't have any alpha hydrogen, so that it need to condense with another one, another aldehyde. See, this is the aliphatic aldehyde or nothing but acetaldehyde in presence of a base. Here actually the resultant product is the cinnamaldehyde. Why it is the cinnamaldehyde, I will explain you. See, C6H5 CHOH CH2 CHO students. This is the beta hydroxy aldehyde. Up to this one, okay, but it is the unstable one. Immediately it is going to be dehydrated, so that cinnamaldehyde will be formed during providing some heat. What is the structure of cinnamaldehyde? C6H5 CH double bond CH CHO. This is the cinnamaldehyde. This is about condensation of aldehydes. You can take condensation of ketones. Acetone you can take CH3CO, CH3 plus CH3CO, CH3. Here, this one also, in presence of a mild base, it will form beta hydroxy ketone. Here also, this is also unstable one and isolated one. If you provide heat, here also dehydration takes place during heating. Then here also double bond will be generated. CH3 CHCO CH3. See, this is the product. And one more thing I want to tell you. These reactions are the intermolecular reactions. Is there any intramolecular condensation? Once you see that is also there. See here, this molecule is going to be in self condensation, in intramolecular self condensation. See here, KOH heating, dehydration. Listen, here also alpha beta hydroxy ketone will be formed first step. After that dehydration, it will be cyclization. See, this part will going to be cyclized. See, this is the product after dehydration. Then we will say about crossed aldol. What is crossed aldol condensation? Crossed aldol condensation is nothing but alpha hydrogen containing aldehydes and ketones both are going to be involved in condensation, they will form a beta hydroxy ketone. Why? Because here ketones are having less additive power than compared to the aldehyde, and so that aldehydes are acting as a substrate to the enolized ketone. You can see some examples about this. See, it is the formaldehyde, not formaldehyde, acetaldehyde reacting with the ketone CH3COCH3 in presence of a mild base, 10% KOH or 10% NaOH, anyone you can take. CH3 CHOH CH2 CO CH3. Here it is the product. See, this is the functional group, alpha carbon, beta hydroxy ketone. What is its name? Name of this compound. See how many carbons are there? Neet, eth, pro, but, pent. 5 carbons are there. At 4th place, hydroxy functional group is there. 4 hydroxy 2 pentanone. See, neet, eth, pro, but, pent. 5 carbons are there in this molecule, so that it is the name of this compound. And coming to, we already know benzaldehyde doesn't have any alpha hydrogen, but it is going to be condensed with aldehyde, aliphatic aldehyde or another ketone. So one more reaction you can say about this. C6H5CHO, this is the benzaldehyde reacting with acetone. KOH or NaOH 10%, C6H5CHOH and CH2COCH3. Here see, this is also beta hydroxy aldehyde. This beta hydroxy aldehyde is the unstable one. Then under heating, dehydration will be takes place, so that C6H5 CH double bond CHCO CH3. This compound name is benzylidene acetone. This is the benzylidene acetone. This is about aldol and crossed aldol condensation. I hope you all understand about this one. If you have any doubts, just post your doubts in comment box. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. We will meet in the next class. Bye students.